Welcome back, my friends. We are going to Africa for $200. So join me for an adventure in Africa in the next video. In this video we will do a life update and the future plan of the channel. Yeah, so the next chapter in this YouTube life will be in Africa. And exactly where I'm going to Morocco. Morocco? Yeah, we are going to Morocco. So next couple of videos will be travel content. We are back on the channel with travel content. Yeah, it was a long time ago now. But now we are in Mölndal in Gothenburg. What do you think about this neighborhood? Yeah, very unscripted here. So yeah, we will do a life update. I'm working my ass off in a new job. I have been working there for around 2 months. Give me cash so I can make more content on this channel, because I don't earn anything from YouTube. But I like to do videos, and I like the community on YouTube, so that's why I'm still making videos. Otherwise I will quit, I think. But it's fun to sharing everything, not everything, but the most fun part of life. Yeah, so the future of the channel. Oh yeah, of course we are going to Morocco now, so I will do travel content again. I've been doing a lot of Swedish content. If you have seen my videos in the last couple of months, I've been making content mainly around Gothenburg. So now we are going to see some other things on the channel. Back to travel content, that was the purpose of the channel from the beginning. So Morocco, yeah. And I think I also will start counting countries again, because I am reaching around 100 countries soon. So yeah, so it can be quite fun to start counting countries also, so you know how many countries I have been to. Yeah, so that is the goal for the channel at the moment. So travel to Morocco, see what Morocco have to offer. I have heard very good things about Morocco. I also have heard very bad things about Morocco. I think I will be scammed a lot. Yeah, scammed. I will see camels, I will see desert. Sahara Desert is part of Morocco. What more? I may surf a little bit, because I'm going to a beach town. And of course I think in Marrakesh I will do the tourist trap. But if you have any recommendation for Morocco that is less or not so many tourists have been there, just comment down below and I may go there, because I want to see other parts of Morocco as well. Sometimes you just follow the Gringo trail because it's easy, and yeah, but I'm trying to look for some places in Morocco that can be fun to make content from, and I also want to somehow include other people in the video, so you don't just see me in the video. But sometimes it's hard. Sometimes I can be quite shy, but I really need to go out of my comfort zone. That is why I love traveling. It's also why I'm doing YouTube. Yeah, so that is other reason I'm doing YouTube, is because I love traveling, but I also can be quite shy. So that's, yeah, doing YouTube and speaking in public, yeah, it's good for my self-confidence. Yeah, it's really good. So now I'm standing in Mölndal, in like a playground or something, a park, I don't really know. But it's a very nice place. It's called, I think it's the area here is called Kvarnbyn or something. Yeah, so that's, yeah. Maybe not so much of an update, but travel update. Yeah, so will I still do Swedish content? Yeah, I will do Swedish content as well. But I want to at least do a lot of videos from Morocco, so I have something to do in my spare time in September, October, when the summer is gone and I can sit home and just make videos. So yeah, there will not be. I'm going to Morocco in July, and I think I will publish the Morocco series maybe in September or something. Yeah, so yeah. So we'll be maybe I will do some live update with short videos and things like that, but the long form videos from Morocco will come in September, maybe August. It's depending how much fun I having after Morocco. Yeah, so that is a little bit of a life update, or a channel update more. My life is working, going to the gym, eating, making videos sometimes, meeting friends, families, yeah, and trying to eat a little bit healthy. Yeah, so that is overall a small update from me. Maybe this video was quite boring to watch, but hopefully some videos in the near future will be more exciting. I also going to show you in what bag I'm going to pack in or backpack. What backpack will I bring to Morocco? Because I just bought a flight that cost me $200, so I only have one items I can bring with me. So I will show you where the bag I will bring. This will be the next video. Actually, I will do a packing video with what I will bring to Morocco, and I will try to fit everything in this one, a small Fjällräven bag. And how long will I be in Morocco? I don't know. I just bought one-way ticket to Morocco. I'm also thinking about maybe going to Portugal after Morocco. It's depending a little bit how much I like Morocco, because as I said before, some people love Morocco, some people really hate Morocco. So I want to see for myself. I have the feeling it's like Turkey or something. I don't know why. I'm just have the Turkey vibe for Morocco. Maybe Egypt. Hopefully not Egypt. I did not like Egypt when I was there. So but I may go back to Egypt actually in the near future, because yeah, I'll maybe do it. But now I will focus on Morocco. So next video will be a packing video. See you in that video. And thank you for watching this small update from Mölndal, Gothenburg. Yeah.